Everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to make something simple and delicious dish. Stir fried prawns. It's very easy to make. It only takes about, once you get the prawns deveined, it takes about 15 minutes to prepare the dish. And I have taken about 200 grams of prawns, and this is sufficient for 3 people. Okay, this can be eaten with either rice or you can even have it with chapati or dosa. Okay, now the ingredients for this stir fried prawns will be, okay, prawns I have taken 200 grams deveined, and it is quite medium sized prawns. And then I have taken about six to 8 small onions cut into cubes, and half a big onion chopped fine, some green chilies, curry leaves, and 1 tomato, ginger garlic paste about 1.5 tablespoon, and lemon. I'll be squeezing the lemon juice towards the end before removing the prawns. And then I'll be seasoning with oil and fennel seeds, about half teaspoon, some dried chilies, cinnamon and bay leaf, each one. And then I'll be adding chili powder about half tablespoon, cumin powder about half tablespoon also, turmeric I'll be adding 1 teaspoon, and then salt to taste. About 3 tablespoons of oil. Then I'm adding the fennel seed and about 3 dried chilies. When I add the dried chilies, it gives a nice aroma to the oil. That's why when I season with fennel seeds and bay leaves, I add 2 or 3 dried chilies. Now I add the green chilies. Then the curry leaves. Because the prawns takes a very less time to cook. So once the onions are soft already in the oil, then we can add the rest of the ingredients. That will be fast. Now I am adding the ginger garlic paste. The tomato. So it is quite soft. Now I am adding the turmeric, about 1 teaspoon. Chili powder, I'm adding about half tablespoon. Half tablespoon. And add the prawns. To 1 teaspoon. Water for the prawns to cook. Just covered it for about a few minutes. Now I'm going to add some lemon juice. About See, when you add lemon juice, it will balance the salt for the prawns. Otherwise, you will feel as though the salt is more. Even you add less, you will taste the salt more than the sourness or the other spiciness. So it's better to add some lime juice before you remove it. I'm just tasting the salt. Salt is a bit lacking, so I'm adding another. So you have to add 1 teaspoon of salt and then some more lime juice. Just add salt and lime or lemon juice according to your taste. So the prawns is very well cooked. It only takes about 5 minutes to cook and it is very well cooked. Okay. So it is easy to prepare once you get the ingredients ready. Okay, I'm just taking out dried. That's it. It's ready now. I'm going to turn off the stove. The prawn masala is ready. This is a real typical South Indian chettinad style prawn masala, stir fry masala with very less spices, and you can have it with rice or you can have it with chapati, whichever bread, anything you can like. Please try out this recipe because it's very easy to do it, and put your comments in.